Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram, you guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing these beautiful turbans or Amamah Sharif, you guys can contact to my own brand a.deal. WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world and delivery is free in all over Pakistan. So in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie this beautiful Turkish Turgut look Amamah Sharif. Turgut is a character of drama serial Ertugrul Gazi, which is real based story. Okay, so let's see how can you tie this beautiful Amamah Sharif. So give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, and do not forget to share this video. Allah Hafiz till my next video.